Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change a Xenon bulb light on a Volkswagen Passat Kombi 2009. This model is actually the same from 2005 until 2010, but today we are gonna operate on a 2009 model. I'm gonna change the front driver side light, and at first I'm gonna show you where the screws are, and then we start. The first screws you would like to take out are on the upper sides, and as you see on the photo, they're marked with the red arrows. You have to take out. Don't you worry about the size, because they're pretty much all the same. Even if you have a different one, you're gonna know where to put it. First of all, you should take out the battery so you can work safely and don't do any damage more on the electronic. As we showed, now we take out the first screws from the upper side of the bumper. Now we continue with the screws on the plastic wheel covers on the side, on the driver's side. On this picture you can see where the screws are. And I started removing the plastic without removing the wheel, and that was pretty difficult. Then I removed the wheel and continue with the screws. On this part we remove the 3 screws that connect the upper side bumper with the side bumper. This is for the left side, and it's gonna be the same for the right side, and you have to remove those too. Now we take out the screws on the downside of the bumper. It was not easy to take a clean picture and show you where the screws are, but it's pretty easy to locate them. So just follow the video and you can do it yourself. Now that we have all the screws out, we take the bumper out. As you see in the picture, first the bumper goes all in the front and then you put it down. It doesn't really disconnect all from the body of the car because you have tubes and maybe electronic connectors there, cables, so you just take it out on the front and then put it down. On this part we take out the screws of the light. As you can see in the picture, are easy to locate, and also 2 plastics on the front. It's also easy to find the screws. Be careful on this part because the screws are different from the first ones, but it's no problem, it's easy to locate and easy to put back. Now we continue with the light. We take all the light out as you see in the video. Don't forget to take out the electronic connector. And then, as showed, I'm going to show you 2 different videos because you might actually have 2 different types of Xenon models and it's not the same way to take those out. Just follow the steps for each one you have and it's going to be easy. Now that the bulb is changed, we continue to put everything up together. Just follow the video, put everything back in place, be sure to make everything tight and you'll do no harm.